Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the adaptive inductive link for transferring power and data which optimize itself based on the distance between primary and secondary coil and based on the behavior of the channel. So here is the whole setup. Here is the transmitter and receiver for which transmit and receive the echo from the ultrasound sensor. We use ultrasound sensor for measuring the distance between two coils, finding the value of coupling coefficient, adjusting the load. Here is an Arduino microcontroller which we use for adjusting the load for having maximum power transfer efficiency. The whole setup is connected to my laptop through Visa USB, and everything is controllable via MATLAB, and everything is automated. So primary and secondary coil here are operating in sailing. I'm going to run the MATLAB code. The way it works, it sends some signal, a very short pulse to ultrasound sensor for measuring the distance between primary and secondary coil. It receives the echo, and based on that extract the distance, and then then calculate the value of coupling coefficient, and then find the optimum load, and then find the base modulation scheme. And then I'm going to change the distance between primary and secondary coil, and we will see that it adjusts itself based on the distance between primary and secondary coil. So here is the MATLAB code. I'm going to run that. So now it sends some signal to the ultrasound sensor. It receives the echo. So the distance between two coils is 10.6 millimeter, and it calculates the value of coupling coefficient based on the distance. So the base modulation scheme from the search space is 16 PSK, and here is the maximum bit rate and power efficiency in this situation. So it sends the transmit signal to the primary coil. So it takes some time because it's loading around 4 mega point to the function generator. So now I'm going to change the distance between primary and secondary coil. I'm using a positioner. So I'm going to put two coils to be closer together. I put 20 seconds for doing this for changing the distance, and now it does everything again. So now it measures the echo again. The distance between two coils is 5.8 millimeter, and the value of coupling coefficient is 0.28. And the base modulation scheme from the search space is 256 QAM, and here is the maximum bit rate and power efficiency. And then it applies the best transmit signal to the primary.